Hey, Matt here, and welcome to Big Pine Sports. Today we are out in the setup bay, and we are with the 2027 TW200. As you guys can see, these are how they come in the crate, just waiting to be set up. Now, part of the setup procedure on these, we've got Braden who's got this torn apart right now. He's actually doing the jetting because here we are at 6,000 feet of elevation. So he's getting that set up and ready to go for us. But I wanted to show you something. They said, hey, the clutch feels a little different on this one when you take a look at it. And if you look in all the videos and forums about the TW200 and the clutch, see this? But take a look right here. Your clutch actuator arm, if you look underneath there, you see that clip? Okay. That, you got to get the screwdriver. Let's see, this one might be a little bit too big. Screwdriver. Nope, there we go. Nope, I'm going to have to get a different blade. Hold on. Okay, we're going to go back with the trusty Leatherman here, see if we can get underneath that. Right there. Pull that out. See that clip right there? It's supposed to sit up on top of this actuator arm like that. Okay, 2027. That return spring on that clutch actuator arm. So let's go take a look at these other TWs and see if we're going to be dealing with the same thing on each of these. Oh, nope, look. These two from the factory, it's weird. Some of them will, some of them won't. But if you look, these two from the factory have that spring sitting on top of the actuator arm. That one and that one. So, if you are buying a TW200, a brand new one, these are 2027s, and if you're getting a brand new one from the dealership, and the clutch feels a little different, or if you've got an old one, any year TW, or if you're buying a new one, definitely check that out, because those two have it on top of that actuator arm, where this one and another one that we just got in the showroom had it underneath. So go ahead and put that on there. Now, if you want to get a TW, you guys, we have 8 of these in stock right now. We just got them. They're all 2027s. They are all brand new. Give us a call, 435-427-3338. Definitely check out the other TW200 videos that we have, and make sure to check out Bradley Performance, because if there's something that you want when you come in to buy the TW, we are a Bradley Performance dealer here at Big Pine Sports. We can get the parts you want, we can install the parts you want, so that when you come and pick up your bike, it's already set up and ready to go. So again, 435-427-3338. Check out the other TW videos, and we will see you guys in the next one.